ADHD is a long-term mental health disorder, and there is no single test or treatment for it. A mental health specialist, psychologist, or psychiatrist will need to know one's particular symptom types and do detailed checkups for that. Today, we'll look at 3 interesting facts about ADHD and possible treatment options for it. Number 1, lots of creative people have ADHD. Studies have shown that ADHD signs, symptoms, and challenges like impulsiveness and risk taking could also lead to creative thinking. In essence, all that inattentiveness, if brought to more focus and if they follow through on their ideas and thoughts, can really lead to creativity. I heard someone say that you wouldn't find a child or even an adult with ADHD running out of batteries. They seem to have endless energy, like the Energizer Bunny, going on and on and on. They can learn with zeal, play with zeal, and even share and love with zeal. ADHD, anyone? Creativity in general is the ability to generate something original, new, surprising, useful, and even relevant. Research shows that individuals with ADHD can be exceptionally good at inventing creative ideas and new uses for everyday objects. There is so much more to this, yet I think that this innovative and original thinking style of people with ADHD may be suitable in areas where innovation is needed in our world and society at large. Number 2, living with ADHD can improve perspective. People with ADHD usually grow to gain different perspectives on life, and it can enable them approach situations and activities with thoughtfulness. This leads them to be inventive, hyper-focused, and quite resilient. You see, the ADHD brain is hungry for novelty and is quite dynamic. And in the study of neuropsychology, it has been found that a person with ADHD can be open to new ideas and concepts. The struggle is not always so bad, as it can lead to deep determination, resilience, and perseverance. They learn to live life as a marathon and not a sprint, so to say. The full truth is that ADHD does not always mean a lack of attention. It can even mean noticing things that others may miss. Many people with ADHD are super aware of everything around them and can find beauty in things where others may not. When people with ADHD hold into their hyperfocus, they're usually able to accomplish more, and it can make their ability to do things faster look like a superpower. So what is ADHD hyperfocus? It refers to an intense fixation on an interest or activity for an extended period of time. People who experience hyperfocus often become so engrossed that they block out the world around them. Children and adults with ADHD often exhibit hyperfocus when working intently on things that interest them a lot. Number 3, a sense of humor. Some people with ADHD have a great sense of humor because of all that ability to be creative and very imaginative. So a child with ADHD that has it under control and that is hyperactive can cause a lot of fun among their peers and family. Their constant restlessness can lead to creating fun games for them and with them and making it something to laugh about. And all that humor which leads to laughter can make the environment much more cheerful, healthy, and enjoyable. So, all that goofiness can help all those around them laugh more, and stay somewhat grounded. you kind of learn not to take life too seriously. I think many thriving comedians have some form of ADHD, at least some of them, and they use it to a great advantage. There are many apps that can help with ADHD that are humor based, and I might do a video about that if it is requested. Also, many people living with ADHD have a sense of humor and can use it as a way to motivate themselves and others. So, yeah, something like this. Sound familiar to anyone? So, treatment wise, different treatment options are available for each particular case diagnosed by a mental health professional. They include recommended medications, behavioral therapy, and some other treatment tactics unique to each individual. Medications include prescribed antidepressants, stimulants, and some cognition enhancing medication. Therapy is also recommended and can be in the form of support group therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, psychotherapy, psychoeducation, and some form of group psychotherapy too. Consulting a doctor in psychology, psychiatry, or mental health in your area of residence is the best move to make in helping one handle symptoms of ADHD. Remember, it is a treatable chronic mental health disorder, and getting diagnosed and treated is ideal for better overall health. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in for this, and thank you for watching. I love you.